Hello friends, hope you're doing great. Welcome to today's tutorial video. In this tutorial, we're going to get familiar with one of the cool features of the OKX Exchange, which is the copy trade section. If you don't have enough time or experience to trade but still want to profit from the market, the copy trading section is the best option for you. With this feature, you can easily follow and instantly copy the trades of professional traders. To do this, after logging into your OKX account, you'll see the Copy Trading section under the Trade menu. This section includes three parts: Futures Copy Trade, Spot Copy Trade, and Lead Trader. In the first two sections, you can copy the trades of other professional traders in the futures or spot markets. And in the registration section, this option is available for you to apply as a lead trader yourself. After being approved by the exchange and starting to trade, other people can copy your trades. We're going to explain the futures copy trading section, but keep in mind that the spot section it's exactly the same as this section. The only difference is the market where the trades are executed. In the futures mode, your futures trades are copied, and in the spot section, your spot trades are copied. After entering the Futures Copy Trade page, you'll have access to two options: My Trades and Profile. In the My Trades section, you can see the trades that are copied for you in the Futures section, along with all the details. You'll be shown the amount of profit received, your balance in the Copy Trade account, today's profit, and your total profit. And in the Profile section, you can also view a general summary of your personal profile. Here, you can see your total profit and loss both as a percentage and as an amount. You will also see your assets, the number of active days, account drawdown, win rate, and the profit to loss ratio. You can view your net transfer amount, and this information is displayed alongside a chart if you have opened a position. At the bottom of this page, in the Positions section, you can view your open positions and your position history. Also, in the Assets section, all your assets across different currencies are displayed, and in the Latest Records section, your most recent activities in various markets are shown. On this page, by using the Settings option, you can change your account information or add a bio to your profile. Alright, now on this page you can view professional traders in various categories. First, you choose your market between futures or spot here. Then you can find your desired trader based on the various filters available in this section. And 1. Using this search bar, you can look up the name of your desired trader. On this page, next to each trader's name, you can see this person's profit or loss, which is displayed to you as both a percentage and an amount, along with a profit and loss chart. You can see this trader here, and the number of followers this person has is shown to you here. Keep in mind that each trader only accepts a limited number of people to copy their trades. You can see the amount of capital managed by this person, as well as the number of days they've been active as a lead trader. By clicking on each trader's name, you can access more information about them. Alright, on the new page, you can see the number of people they are following and their followers. The trader also provides a brief summary here about their trading style and the type of trades they make. Now moving on, in the Performances section, you can select a specific time range. Within this time frame, you can see the number of profitable and losing trades this person has made. You can also see the win rate as a percentage, the profit to loss ratio, and the average trade duration. Here you can see the weekly profit or loss chart. It is displayed for you here, and you can view the chart in this section below. The number of active days as a lead trader, the trader's own assets, and the assets under their management are shown here. the amount of profit and loss. Currently, you can see copy trading and the number of followers. Also, in the profit sharing ratio section, you can see this information. You can see what percentage of your trades you need to pay this person after copying their trades. Below, you can also see the followers along with their profits and losses. You can see here the assets this person is trading on, along with their respective percentages. And on this chart, you can view the average holding time of a trade along with its profit. Alright, next you can go to the ongoing orders section. Here, you can see the open trades of this trader, which are displayed to you with full details. Similarly, in the history section, you can view the complete record of this person's past trades with full details. And finally, in the Copy Trader tab, you can once again see the people copying this trader. You can check how many days they've been copying, the amount they've invested, and their profits. Also, on this page in the overview section, you can see the status of these individuals' personal trades. You can view the trader, although some people set this section to hidden. After reviewing all the information about a trader, if you think this person could be profitable for you, you can follow them by clicking the follow button or use the copy option to copy this person's trades. All you need to do on the next page is enter the amount of capital you want to allocate for copy trading in the first section. You can also go to the advanced section to set a stop loss for your trades, which we definitely recommend using. After that, you agree to the terms and conditions of the copy trading section. And after clicking the copy button, your copy trading process will successfully begin. After the copy trading process starts, as we mentioned, you can view the My Trades section on this page, where you can see the trades that are activated for you in copy trading mode and the people you are following. The copy trading process does not always mean be profitable, and before starting this process, make sure to review all the information related to the trader. Also, if you have your own strategy and are successful in trading, you could apply to become a lead trader in the Trade Copy Trading section, and in this case, you become the lead trader and other people will copy your trades. And you earn profits from this copy trading process. Click on the Join Now option and fill in some of your information in this section. You will also need to provide images of your profitable trades to the exchange. And after OKX experts review and approve your information, you can start working as a lead trader. So that was it. A complete tutorial on the copy trading section in OKX Exchange. For more tutorials, stay with us. Stay tuned.